federal.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. I got my boys with me.
Who do you work for?
DHS.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
This is an unusual situation. You have deputies in the Florida Keys who stop a truck that they say was all over the road, and a father and his two sons were inside. So immediately concerned about the children's safety and the driver's level of intoxication, the deputies get him out of the truck to do field sobriety tests. But based on body cam footage of the interaction, which we have and which we will play, it seems he would rather argue about whether he should get special treatment as an alleged fellow member of the Thin Blue Line. Welcome to Sidebar, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. 42-year-old Scott Thomas Deiseroth was arrested in August for DUI and child endangerment after a higher-up in the sheriff's department noticed him allegedly driving recklessly. And I will tell you, we got our hands on the footage to see how this all played out, and you will see for yourself. So this is around 3:30 p.m., August 13th, and Deiseroth has pulled over on the shoulder of this long overpass. When Deputy Jonathan Lane approaches the truck window, that is when Deiseroth brings up pretty quickly that he works for a U.S. government agency.
Hello. Could you roll down the back windows for me, too? Sorry, you got real dark tin. Hello. So Scott, where are you coming from?
Miami down here to Isla and then back.
So you're coming from Miami to Isla Mirada, and then you're going back to Miami?
Yeah, I live in Miami.
Okay. Well, do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
We got the overpass over here, 18-mile stretch, overseas highway.
Okay. Where did you do today? Where'd you go? Did you go fishing? Did you go
Come on, bro.
to a restaurant? Well, you're about 100 miles off of where you think you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Who's the guy in the white shirt?
That's the colonel.
Colonel, tell me. Okay, well. Look, I'm federal.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. I got my boys with me.
Who do you work for?
DHS.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. But if I called them, they'd verify that you're a
100%, bro.
Okay. You don't have any type of credentials or anything that say you're DHS?
Not on me, no.
Okay. All right.
I only bring my weapon with me if I'm.
Okay. But you don't have any weapons on you right now?
No, I don't.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to talk to you away from the kids. So I'm going to ask you to step out of the car, and we're going to walk back to the back of your car, okay?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now, here's the thing. Court paperwork that was filed after his arrest confirmed that Deiseroth works for ICE, Immigrations and Customs Enforcement, that he's an Army veteran. He was reportedly honorably discharged at the rank of enlisted staff sergeant, by the way. And here's the thing. Based on the body cam footage from Deputy Lane, Deiseroth seems to be hoping, I think the argument would be, that this brotherhood of law enforcement may help him out of his jam.
So you said you're coming from Miami, going to Isla Mirada, and going back to Miami.
Yes.
What are you going to Isla Mirada for?
Guys, seriously, are we really doing this right now?
I'm just asking you a question. You said you're going to Isla Mirada. What are you going to Isla Mirada for?
Lane,
Yeah.
are we really doing this right now?
Sir, I'm just asking you a simple question. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. But you said you're going to Isla Mirada, so I'm just asking what you're going for.
Guys,
Zach, how much have you had to drink today?
about 4
For what?
drinks.
Like water, alcohol, beer? What'd you drink? Kool-Aid?
Now, obviously, this is a story that we wanted to bring to you, and the reason that we can cover something like this is not only because of the amazing support that we get from all of you out there, but also from our incredible sponsor, Upside. This is the free app that gets you cash back on daily essentials like gas, groceries, food. So I pump my gas, I can use Upside. I go out to lunch, I can use Upside. I get something from a convenience store, I can use Upside. And why wouldn't I want to get cash back when I do all these things, right? This is actual, real cash back. It's money that appears in your Upside app that you transfer right into your bank account. So once you have the free Upside app, you claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. You pay as usual using a debit or credit card. You follow the steps on the app. You get paid. To find out how much you can earn, click the link in the description to download Upside or scan the QR code on screen. But make sure to use our promo code Sidebar because you get an extra 25 cents back on every gallon on your first tank of gas.
Are you guys really trying to me right now?
I'm just asking what you look like you're impaired. I smell alcohol coming from you, so I'm just asking how much you had to drink to make sure you're not too impaired to drive that vehicle. Okay, how about this, Scott? So again, I think that you might be impaired. You look, your eyes are bloodshot. They're kind of glassy.
Are they really?
Yes, sir, they are.
Show me.
I don't know how you want me to do that.
Take a picture.
Okay, we could do that in a minute. But the other reason why I think you're impaired is just the way you're walking. You're kind of stumbling a little bit.
I'm not walking anywhere.
Okay. And then also the way that you were seen driving, you're like kind of swerving and stuff. And then the colonel tried to pull you over and you didn't immediately stop. You stopped here on the bridge. He tried to stop you at a safer spot a little bit back there.
Okay. We're doing this. Okay.
Okay. So again, I believe that you may be impaired by alcohol and or some type of chemical substance which may inhibit your ability to operate a motor vehicle safely. So I'm going to ask that you voluntarily participate in standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you may be impaired. Are you willing to do those exercises?
Yeah.
You'll do them?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll have you do, you can just sit on the bumper of your car right there. You're a little bit taller. I just need to look at your eyes.
Guys, look. I'm SFST certified.
Okay, so am I. I'm a drug recognition expert. Do you know what that is? Okay. Anyway, so what I'm going to have you do, if you can, uncross your feet and just put them like side by side. Perfect. And then your arms, if you could, just try to put them down by your side like that. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is just keep your head straight, and you're just going to keep your head like aimed straight at me, basically. And then I'm going to look at your eyes. Okay? You understand?
Yep.
Are you diabetic?
No.
Are you epileptic?
No.
Okay. Do you have any brain injuries?
I'm a disabled veteran.
Okay. Have you ever had a traumatic brain injury?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Does it affect your ability to operate a vehicle?
Guys, come on.
Okay. Well, I'm just asking what your brain injury is. Does it affect you in your everyday life? Do you know what nystagmus is?
Onset of nystagmus, yes.
Okay. But do you know what nystagmus is?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have nystagmus?
Guys, are we really doing this?
Okay. Do you have any medical issues that I need to know about? Are you on blood thinners, painkillers?
Lane.
Yep.
Talk to me.
I'm talking to you right now.
Don't do this.
I'm just talking to you, man. It's all right. It's all right. Take a deep breath.
No, it's not.
If you haven't drank too much to not be able to operate a vehicle safely, then
Lane.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. We are both law enforcement. I'm going through a divorce. Come take my kids, man.
I'm not taking your kids from you, man. I'm just making sure that you're safe to drive the car. Okay? Do you have any other medical issues that I need to know about?
No.
Just any medical issues that might...
I've had blow up around me. I've been shot at.
Okay. It's all right, man. Take a deep breath.
Don't tell my kids.
I'm not. You're all right. Take a deep breath. You're okay.
I've been shot at. People have tried to kill me. I just want to go home, guys. Come on, man.
I got you, man.
Come on. We know what's up. We've been down this road before.
Problem is that we're at this point right now.
I understand that.
And you know that I have to do what I have to do.
I understand that, but my boys are everything.
Okay. Where's their mom at?
I don't know.
Do they have anyone down here that would be able to take care of them? I'm not saying you're going with me, man, but you're all worried about this stuff. I'm just trying to figure out, you know, if there's someone else around here that, you know, maybe they could come drive the car if you think maybe you drank too much to drive.
Guys, no.
No?
They're my everything.
Okay, so no medical problems that are going to affect your ability to follow my finger?
Nope.
Okay, so again, what I'm going to have you do is just keep your head straight, and I'm just going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes, and I'm just going to go side to side, and then I'm going to go up and down, and I'm going to do a circle around your head.
Do it.
And I'm going to tell you what I'm doing before I do it, okay? I'm not going to touch you or anything, but again, I just want you to follow my finger with your eyes and don't move your head. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
So Deiseroth and Deputy Lane, they go through the eye test. And when it comes time for the walk and turn, that is when Deiseroth still seems kind of resistant. So Deputy Lane opens up, and this is when he reveals that he himself was arrested for DUI. Yeah, we double-checked this. We double-checked the records, and Lane was indeed arrested in 2023 when he was found sleeping in his car at a gas station while off duty. He had to go through the same field sobriety test as everyone else. His case on the Monroe County Court docket is marked confidential, so it's unclear what came of his arrest, but obviously he's still on the job. And again, he brings this up.
Okay. So the next thing I'm going to have you do is the walk and turn. We'll probably do it right here. I don't know how easy this would be for you to do in flip-flops, or if it'd be easier in your...
Lane, I just want to get my kids home.
I got you, man.
Come on, dude.
I'll tell you a true story. I went through the same thing 2 years ago.
You divorced?
No.
I am.
This.
I'm going through a divorce right now.
Look, man, you drank too much to drive a car.
No, I haven't.
You did. Okay?
Let me get my kids home.
You can't drive a car right now, man. Based on what I'm seeing so far, unless, you know, if you do good on this, maybe I'm wrong. Okay? That's why we're doing these, so that you can dispel my belief that you're impaired. Okay? Because right now, when I'm seeing the stumbling and stuff, I want to see if you can do this
Stumbling?
stuff.
I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting right here.
Well, no, when you walked out of the truck at first, you kind of... It looked like it. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay? But that's what this stuff is for, so that we can dispel that belief that I have that you're impaired.
Now, Deputy Lane explains the instructions for the walk and turn exercise multiple times, but Deiseroth doesn't appear to be having it.
Do you understand those instructions, sir?
Yep.
Okay, could you get back in the starting position for me, please? Just left foot on the line and right foot in front?
No, I got you, Lane.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
The deputy does give him a minute, but Deiseroth's excuses, they're kind of adding up.
Okay, man, it's either a yes or a no.
Just give me a minute, all right, deputy?
I did give you a minute, sir, but we can't stand here for this long, okay?
Lane.
Yes, sir.
I'm federal law enforcement. I'm going through a divorce. My wife is trying to take my kids. I'm just... Give me a minute, all right?
Okay.
You know what it's like. You know what it's like to be law enforcement.
How long do you need, buddy?
Just give me a minute, all right? Guys.
If we give you a minute, are you going to do the exercise?
I will do it. Just my head.
Okay. Like I said, I just don't like us standing here in the road, man.
I don't either, but you know what? My kids are my life.
I got you.
No, you don't. Do you got kids? Exactly. Do you have kids?
No.
Exactly. So you don't know what it's like.
And things take kind of a strange turn when another deputy on scene tries to explain something to Deiseroth, and Deiseroth notices his accent.
You know what? Call my supervisor.
Okay. Do you want to do the exercises or no?
I'll do it. But you know what? What's homeboy doing down there? You know, guys, come on.
Make sure we all sit because we're inside of the water. We don't want to get hit. We don't want you to get hit. That's why we're trying to do the exercise. That way we can move on.
Are you Haitian?
That's nothing to do with my wrist, buddy.
My question was, are you Haitian?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where he's from. Okay. Look, man, I really need you to do the exercise. If you don't do it, then I'm going to say that you're refusing to do the exercise. I get it. You need a minute. I gave you a few minutes, okay? But
Let me talk to your supervisor.
not right now, sir.
Yeah.
That's not how this works. You can talk to him at...
It is how it works because you guys are local.
Okay, that's not a statute or a law or a policy or anything that we have. He's the second from the top underneath of the sheriff. Okay? He's the one that pulled you over. Okay? If you want to talk to him, we can, but right now I'm in the middle of an investigation, and you're not going to talk to my supervisor in the middle of my investigation. When I'm concluded with my investigation, with whichever way that goes, whether it's you in your car driving away or you in the back of my car in handcuffs, if you want to talk to my supervisor then by all means you can. But when I'm in the middle of an investigation, it's you and me, no one else. Okay? So this is the last chance I'm going to give you, okay? Do you want to do the walk and turn exercise?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, so again, put your left foot on the line, and then put your right foot in front, touching heel to toe, and your arms straight down by your side. Okay, I'm going to show you the instructions again real quick, just to refresh your memory, okay? So left foot on the line, right foot in front, touching heel to toe. 9 heel to toe steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep the front foot on the line. Take the back foot off the line, and you're going to take a series of small steps with the back foot to turn around, and then you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back down the line. Do you understand the instructions?
I do.
Okay.
I want to talk to your supervisor.
Again, sir, once we're done with the investigation, you are more than welcome to talk to anyone that you would like. Okay, you may begin.
Okay, now Deiseroth doesn't really do well on this exercise. He holds his arms out to steady himself as he walks along the painted line, but still wobbles, stumbles his way through. He continues to seemingly, arguably, be belligerent and uncooperative, but the deputy does really a great job of trying to stay calm here.
Okay, awesome. So for the next one, the one-leg stand, we can come over here just so we're not in the road anymore. Scott, can you walk over to me, please? Do you want to do the one-leg stand exercise?
Why are you man?
All right, so just take a couple steps forward, like right here.
What it is first?
Okay, well, in order for me to instruct you on how to do the exercise, I need you to stand over here. Awesome, thank you so much, Scott.
When Deputy Lane questions Deiseroth about where and what he was drinking before getting behind the wheel, he can't seem to get a straight answer, and eventually that is when things reach the point where Deiseroth is placed under arrest.
It's all right, Scott. What did you do there?
I had 3 drinks.
Okay. What did you get?
I don't know. The bartender made it up.
Was it like a cocktail, like a mixed drink, or a beer?
It was a cocktail. Come on, guys.
Like whiskey, vodka, tequila, rum, gin?
I don't know.
Okay. They don't know if it was like...
And I have not drank in weeks.
Did you eat anything today?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
I made the boys pancakes.
This morning?
Dinosaur pancakes. And what else do we have? Pancakes, that's all I remember.
Okay. All right, Scott, I need you to come back here with me, please. I'm not going to do this in front of your kids, man, but you got to come with me. Come on. I'm not going to do it. Now you can put your hands behind your back. If you're going to pull away, then I'll do it in front of your kids. Okay. Don't squeeze my hand. Let go.
I'm not doing guys, I am law enforcement.
Okay. I was gonna do this away from your kids, man, but you're going to pull away from me, then I'll do it in front of them.
I'm not pulling away. I'm not moving.
Just relax, man.
You're hitting me right now.
Copy a welfare check 6810 Front Street.
You have anything in your pocket gonna put mistake me, anything like that?
Nope. Has been passed out a few times. Has been passed out of the playground. It's going to be a reference to a white female with tattoos.
Well, sir, I'm doing my job today.
RT advised if Elio parks near Hogfish, he can lead you guys to her.
Try to keep your hands turned the way that I have this one. Your left hand right now?
Moving, guys.
Okay. Try to get this.
Copy.
Okay. Sit.
I'll look for the truck.
back. You can go on the left side.
Guys, Lane, why are you doing it?
It's clear to the right.
Yeah.
You can go to my hood. Just right up against my hood, sir. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt us?
No, man.
Okay. So, Scott, unfortunately, right now you are under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay.
Lane.
Scott, I believe you're impaired.
Guys, don't do this.
I believe you're too impaired to operate a motor vehicle safely, Scott.
Deputy Lane reminds him that he knows exactly what Deiseroth is going through, that he knows this isn't something fun, but that it's best right now to just suck it up, push through. But Deiseroth doesn't seem keen to be taking that advice.
Lane, come on, man. This is gonna me, dude. Please don't do this to me.
I got arrested for DUI 2 years ago.
Lane, I get it. But do you have kids?
Own up to your mistakes, man. You're a grown adult. I cried my ass off too. Own up to it. You're gonna sit in jail tonight. It's gonna suck.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're gonna
Lane!
It's gonna suck, man. It sucked for me. It's gonna suck for you too. It is what it is. Be a man. Suck it up. That's what everyone tells us. I know. I get it. Whatever. If you're a cop, whatever.
Yeah, I'm a law enforcement,
Okay,
dude.
then stop talking and sit in the back of the car and stop. Stop this.
Let's go.
Stop this.
What about my kids?
We're gonna take care of it.
No,
But
I'm
first
not
I need-
going in there. Let me talk to your supervisor.
Again, you can talk to him in a second.
Nope. Not going in there without my supervisor.
Okay, let's go to the other side. Come here. Come on, man. Don't pull against me. Let's go over
I'm
here.
not moving, bro. Don't do this.
Let's go.
Lane.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Hey, come on, buddy. We're not doing this. Come on. Let's go.
So you guys are
Come on. Put your feet in.
Stand up.
Stand up. Come on.
Stand up. Put your feet in, man.
No.
Man,
Put
don't be
your
a
feet
kid.
in.
Come on.
Stop.
Where are my kids?
Stand up. Put your feet in.
What?
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
You don't want to make this worse already.
Come on. Come on, man. Let's go.
You gotta sit in the car,
You're
man.
going to jail for DUI, which is a misdemeanor. If you don't cooperate, you go to jail for resisting. It only makes it worse.
Come on. Put your feet in, buddy.
All right, your kids will be fine. This will pass.
Listen to me.
No, sir, not on the side of the road.
Come on. Let's go,
Okay,
man.
we gotta sit down, Scott.
You guys.
Thank you.
You. Okay. Lane, you really me, man.
Man, I'm not the one that drank today and drove.
Here's something interesting. From the body cam footage, we learn that it was actually a colonel within the Monroe County Sheriff's Office who first spotted Deiseroth's truck. And he tells Deputy Lane what he saw and what happened when he tried to get the man to pull over.
He is literally in the middle of the road.
In the two-lane?
Yeah, he's straddling in the middle. Southbound, northbound lane in the two-lane area. I do a U-turn on him, got a couple cars between me and him. I pass them, do not have lights and sirens. I catch up to 2 or 3 cars, probably about half a mile before the bridge here. Right? He is all over the road, taking all lanes, taking all shoulders, obviously not paying attention. You got people waving me by, yielding over, and I don't even have lights on at this point. Right? I hit the lights, hoping to get him stopped before we got on the bridge. Followed him for probably 200 yards before Bayhon entrance, right all the way to here before he stops. And obviously when I went up to the car, you can smell the odor. He's all over the road. He's not paying attention.
All right, sweet. Well, thank you very much, Colonel. It's
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Good case.
Appreciate it. Like I say, unfortunately, you got 2 little kids, but they're probably alive because of it.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, like I said, and I think I told you, I asked him where you going because he's got a Miami.
he had
He's going to Miami.
he had vertical nystagmus, which you only see above a 0.15. He had onset at about 25 degrees. If I had to guess, he's about a 0.25.
I wouldn't surprise me. Like I said, when I told him you can't get to Miami going this way, he wanted to argue with me.
Watch, if he blows and I'm right, I'm gonna send you an email. Thank you, Colonel.
Yes, sir.
With Deiseroth now in the back of the police car, Deputy Lane then checks in on the 2 children in the backseat of the truck. He learns they are only 7 and 9 years old.
So, look, your dad made a little bit of a mistake, okay? I'm guessing you guys probably know that because you were in the car with him for the ride. Can you tell me, do you know where you guys went or anything? Or what your dad was doing today? Because I don't know what's wrong with him, but I think he's drunk. I don't know if he drank something or... You what? I can't hear you. A resort. What resort were you at? You don't know? Do you know if has he been okay today? Has he been acting weird?
So what happens here? Well, neither of the kids has their own cell phone, but the good news is, fortunately, one of them knows their mom's cell phone number. So Deputy Lane gets in touch with her. She's in Miami. She agrees to meet up at a substation to collect them. That's the good news. We go back to the defendant here. In the meantime, the other officer on scene reports to Deputy Lane that Deiseroth is out of control in the back seat, allegedly banging his head against the interior of the patrol car and demanding to speak to Lane.
What, man?
Lane. Put the up front, then.
No, dude. The way you're acting...
No, because you're cutting me. Bro.
You're trying to, like, destroy the sheriff's car right now.
No, I'm not. Fucking cuff me up front if you're going to cuff me.
Look, if you really still want to have your job after this, you need to stop this.
Then cuff me up front.
No. That's not our policy. Our policy is that you're handcuffed in the back. There's
then
no...
take me somewhere.
I am. We're trying to work out how we're going to get your... And you're making it a lot more difficult because you're sitting back here acting like a child. Stop, man.
Then put the air on.
The air is on.
No, it's not.
Well, every time I roll the window down and open up my door, what do you think happens to all the AC?
I get some air.
Exactly.
I get some air.
Watch your hand. No, stop banging on the windows. If you want the AC to reach back to you...
It doesn't. Lane.
It will eventually.
Lane.
So you'd rather have the window down like this?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, fantastic.
Lane.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Dude, there's nothing to talk about.
There is.
There's not, man. We don't have anything to talk about after this.
Yeah, we do, Lane.
Hey, so this is an ICE agent out of Miami. He's DUI, he's pretty drunk. He's got 2 little kids in the back, 7 and 9. The mom is going to start driving down from Miami. Markin said he would relay the kid north. I was going to see if you could help set up a relay with Marathon to relay this kid up north and just like meet with the mom halfway.
Deputy Lane takes Deiseroth to this processing facility out in Key West, and this allegedly drunk dad just seemingly continues to argue with him along the way, convinced that Deputy Lane can somehow get him out of this situation. And while the deputy doesn't let Deiseroth off the hook, he does give him some tips about being locked up as a law enforcement officer.
Scott, do you want to call your boss on your phone? What? Do you want to call your boss on your phone? If you make a phone call on the jail phone, it records the conversation. So if you want, I have both your phones and your wallet. If you want, I can call your boss for you, like on the hood of my car, and you can talk to him. Or you can get your the phone number out of your phone inside the jail. But again, any calls you make inside the jail, that's recorded, so... I just don't want to make... I want to make sure you don't say something dumb. Anyway, what will happen, we're going to go to the jail. We're going to go into the breath test room. There's the Intoxilizer 8000, the breath test instrument. We'll do 2 breath tests, and then after that, I will turn you over to the jail staff. They are going to take the handcuffs off you, and they're going to sit you by yourself, since you're law enforcement, in a cell by yourself in the clothes you're wearing right now. And then after I'm done with my arrest report, I'm going to turn that into the jail, and then that's me officially turning custody of you over to the jail. The jail will then take your mugshot, fingerprint you, tattoos. They'll take pictures of tattoos. Actually, I'm not sure if they do that for misdemeanors, but they'll book you into the jail, basically. You'll get your own cell by yourself. Scott, I swear to God, I really am doing everything that I can. That's why I'm saying that the best thing, just the less talking as possible, there you go. All right.
Now, according to Monroe County court records, Deiseroth was originally charged with felony DUI and child endangerment in circuit court, but the charges were apparently downgraded and the case was moved to county court. So he faces charges right now that are listed as misdemeanor DUI and resisting an officer without violence. Many of the court documents themselves are marked confidential in this case, but according to local reporter Gwen Filosa, who reviewed or apparently reviewed his arrest report, Deiseroth's blood alcohol level came back as 0.17. That is more than double the legal limit. One of the documents that wasn't sealed is a motion to lift pretrial conditions. In that motion, Deiseroth's attorney laid out the steps the defendant has taken to essentially straighten himself out. And this includes apparently attending numerous AA meetings. As part of his pretrial release, Deiseroth can't consume alcohol, has to submit to being tested, and the motion reads, quote, recently, we had the defendant volunteer to use a portable breath device 3 times per day to show that he's not drinking. The device is a SoberLink device. The September motion also gave an update on his employment. Quote, the defendant is an ICE agent. ICE has not terminated him, but is expecting alcohol treatment. And quote, ICE is monitoring the defendant. The defendant is on administrative duty. He's not presently carrying any firearms. It's unclear from the docket if the pretrial conditions ended up being modified or lifted, or he got some sort of relief by the judge. Now, I will tell you that NBC Miami reached out to ICE, who released this statement in the days after Deiseroth's arrest. Quote, as the matter is currently under investigation, it would be inappropriate to comment on the arrest. However, as public servants working for a law enforcement agency, every employee at ICE is held to the highest standard of conduct. Should an investigation determine they have not adhered to those standards, it will be addressed appropriately. And Deiseroth is next due in court at the end of the month. And that's all we have for you right now here on Sidebar. Everybody, thank you so much for joining us. And as always, please subscribe on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, wherever you get your podcasts. You can follow me on X or Instagram. I'm Jesse Weber. I'll speak to you next time.